So I'm here with Stephen Pitcher. My name's Mark Walmsley and I'm one of the founders at Chuffed. And we've just completed a brand discovery workshop with Stephen. I'm going to let him tell you how that worked out, but we think we've come up with some great ideas. Stephen?
Mark, what you probably don't know is that for years I've been looking for some angle on the brand or some form of identification within my industry that would make me unique. And despite having done so many courses and literally having spent tens of thousands of pounds, the last 2 days of 2 90-minute sessions have done more than anything I've ever done before. So for me, it's been absolutely remarkable. And I would advise anyone who's confused as to where they're going, their brand, their message, to sit down with you and just go through what it is that they're trying to achieve and to get a better identifying angle that they can market. So for me, it's been tremendous. I've really loved it.
That's great. Thank you very much for that. Exciting. We won't tell too many people what we're planning because obviously we're in stealth mode for it. But I think we found a way of distinguishing you and differentiating you and the service that you provide in financial planning and retirement readiness, so that you're the leader of your own pack. And you've been very brave and courageous to niche it right down. And I think it's going to resonate very well, as Seth Godin advises us: find your smallest viable audience and become the best option for it. And I think we've done that over the last 2 days. So Stephen, thanks again very much. And thanks for agreeing to do this little interview. Thank you.
Thank you.